Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are gonna input a sentence and print those words which start and end with the same letter. Let's see if we enter I am Nitin, so the output should be Nitin, as Nitin is starting with N and ending also with N. So let's see how can I do this. Okay, so first I will take a input of a sentence in a variable sentence, and then I will make it into uppercase or lowercase. You can do whatever you want, and then I will split it into words, and then I will start a for loop which will check the conditions, and this is how the program will look like. Okay, so first let me run the program and then I will explain you how this is working. Let's see, I will enter here Nitin went to Asia. So here you can see the output is showing Nitin and Asia, as Nitin is starting with N and ending with also with N, same as it is for Asia. Means the program is correct. Okay, so let's understand how this is working. So here we are taking input. So I will comment here, and then here we are converting it into uppercase, or we can also do into lowercase, whatever you want. And then here we are splitting it into words. Then we have started a for loop which will iterate through each word. And then here we have written the condition: if this equals to, then this will write the word. So this will check if the first letter and the last letter are same or not. If this will happen, it will print. So this is that simple. Okay, so I think you got the point. If you let me to make any video on any topic, please let me know in the comment section. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.